Decked up trees, ornaments, gifts, wreaths, and many more winter classics, painted in a relaxing step-by-step manner. That's what I'm bringing for you today. Hi, my name is Garima Srivastav. I'm an artist, illustrator, and a top teacher here on Skillshare, where I've taught thousands of students my way of making art that's not just beautiful, but also achievable. Working as a surface pattern designer, I do know that holiday art is worked on throughout the year to be finally used on all kinds of products during the holiday season. Although there are trends, there is always space and demand for subjects we call winter classics. And that's why I've put together 7 projects featuring some of these winter favorites. In this class, I will teach you how to paint 9 easy stylized Christmas trees, an elegant wreath, lovely tree ornaments, 3 beautifully wrapped gifts, a dove symbolizing peace on earth, a cute red car loaded with a Christmas tree and gifts, and finally, a quaint woodland cabin. And we're painting all of this with the medium most of us already have at home, watercolors, with a touch of some holiday shimmer and shine. This class is suitable for all skill levels. While working on these projects, beginners will learn important watercolor skills like painting wet on wet, wet on dry, working in steps and layers to transform flat washes into detailed, eye-catching illustrations. An experienced artist can explore these 7 projects and add their own unique touch. Each of these 20 to 25 minute long project has been divided into smaller lessons that you can follow at your own pace. Apart from the projects, the class also includes lessons on art supplies, brushstroke practice and watercolor techniques, extra practice of watercolor botanical elements, and a discussion on inspiration sources and color palettes. Although inspiration is all around us, you can check out my previous class, Transform Inspiration into Illustration with Imagination, if you would like to see my process of developing my design ideas. As the project for this class, you can choose to paint 1 or more of the 7 projects. By the end of this class, you would not only have beautiful holiday artwork, but also the skills to further explore watercolor illustration. And I'm so excited to see which project is your favorite. So whether you plan to get started with watercolor illustration, or want to create some holiday themed art as gifts, greeting cards, or gift tags for your friends and family, or simply want to relax and paint some festive goodness, then go and get your watercolor art supplies, maybe a hot cup of cocoa, tea, or mulled wine, and let's paint some holiday favorites. I'll see you in the class.